Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel once again. In this video, we are going to learn about heredity. First of all, let's see what is the definition of heredity. Heredity refers to the genetic heritage passed down by our biological parents. That's why we look. That's why we look like them. Okay. More specifically, you can say heredity is the transmission of traits from one generation to the next generation. Okay. So now this heredity affects the development right from the prenatal stage, influencing a wide range of characteristics. Example: color of skin, hair, eyes, height, health, intellect, and temperament. So now chromosomes and genes. About chromosomes and genes, the ovum, that is female productive reproductive cell, and the sperm, that is male reproductive cell, have 23 pairs of chromosomes. Chromosomes contain smaller units of genetic material called DNA. Among these chromosomes, 22 chromosomes are called as autosomes and one chromosome is called as sex chromosome. Now, each chromosome contains genes which are functional units of heredity. Each gene has its particular place and function in inheritance. So that's why at conception, an ovum containing 23 single chromosomes from mother combines with a sperm containing 23 single chromosomes from the father. Now, the two sets of genetic information combine so that the growing embryo has 23 pairs, that is total 46 chromosomes, which is a mixture of genes from the both biological parents. Now, how this sex determination happens? The sex chromosomes are referred to as X and Y, and their combination determines the sex of the fetus. Women have XX pair, you can see in this picture, pair of chromosomes, while men have XY pair of chromosomes. Now in this picture you can see there is a fertilization and X chromosome is already present in the ovum, that is female reproductive cell. If it unites with X chromosome from the sperm, then the fetus will be a female offspring. Means X, if you see the pair of X and X chromosomes, then the child will be a girl. Okay. If the X chromosome from the ovum unites with the Y chromosome from the sperm, then the fetus will be a male offspring. That is, when you can see here the chromosomes X and Y, then the child will be a boy. Okay. Now, so it is clear that the sex of the fetus is determined by the male chromosomes. Okay, just remember this sentence. It is clear that the sex of the fetus is determined by the male chromosome. Now here you can see a word, meiosis. Meiosis is a process where a single cell divides twice to produce four cells containing half the original amount of genetic information, that is the 23 parent 23, that is it is happening here the half of the original amount of genetic information. These cells are sex cells, that is sperm in males and eggs in females. Okay, now how the okay, so let's see how these genes are work. There are pair of genes, they work in pairs. Okay, these genes gives us the characteristic that we inherit from our parents. So in a pair, one gene is dominant and other one is recessive. The dominant gene shows the characteristics in the immediate next generation, whereas the recessive gene remain passive. Sometimes we see my eyes are like my mother, but my hairs are like my father. Okay, so which is the dominant one? You can see immediately on the child's characteristic, means which is very similar to the child's characteristics to the parents. Okay, so that's why here heredity is also responsible for some inborn genetic defects and abnormalities in an infant. Okay, sometimes gives you a good characteristic, but also it gives you abnormalities also. So there is no any God's curse that is you are having abnormalities. by born, it is again regarding to your inheritance. So here we have finished a small video on heredity. Thanks for watching. I hope you all are watching my all videos. Please like and share, share and subscribe to my channel. Once again, thanks for watching.